All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into the buzz around the Tesla phone, where you might be able to get one if it ever becomes a reality. So far, Tesla has not officially launched a phone, but the rumored Tesla Model Pi has been stirring up excitement. Fans and tech enthusiasts speculate that if Tesla does introduce a phone, it will be packed with advanced features like seamless integration with Tesla vehicles, solar charging capabilities, and even compatibility with Starlink for global internet access. Now, where would you buy one? Based on Tesla's current sales model, any official Tesla phone would most likely be available through Tesla's official website or their retail stores. This mirrors how they sell their cars, accessories, and energy products, direct and streamlined, cutting out third-party retailers. So, if a Tesla phone is announced, that's where you should look first. It's also important to avoid unofficial sources or sites claiming to sell the Tesla phone right now. Many of these are based on fan concepts, and Tesla hasn't confirmed any details about this product. Be patient and watch for Tesla's official announcements. Until then, stay tuned to the latest from Tesla and keep exploring ways to upgrade your tech game. And as always, be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.